Though spiders frighten many people, they're actually quite interesting. We've gathered 10 fun facts about spiders. 1. Not all spiders make webs. Though all spiders create silk, they don't all make webs with it. 2. Spiders can be helpful. Spiders eat insects that like to bug you. Having them around can keep pest populations down. 3. Only some spiders are dangerous. Despite spiders scaring people, only a few are actually harmful. Black widow and brown recluse spiders do have toxic venom. 4. Spiders aren't insects. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. They have 8 legs, 2 body segments, and no antennae. 5. Spiders have poor eyesight. Despite having so many eyes, spiders can't see very well. Instead, they use vibrations from their web to alert them to prey. 6. Some spiders eat their own web. Some species eat their own webs, which replenishes their protein supply. This allows them to produce silk and create webs. 7. Spiders spin different webs. Not all webs look the same. Some are orbs, others are layers of silk, and some are messy and irregular. 8. Some spiders jump long distances. Jumping spiders can leap up to 50 times their own length. 9. Spiders run with legs in the air. When spiders run, 4 legs are on the ground and the other 4 are in the air. 10. Some spiders are semi-aquatic. The raft spider spends its time close to water. It will even hunt prey on the surface of water. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.